keep them steady on the ramp. Watch the horns, bring them to the left pen.
Ensure all data points are logged before the next group arrives at Station 4.
Lane 3, clear the gate. Copy that, gate opening now. All systems green on lane 5.
Water levels are holding steady at 90%.
Good. The intake on pen 3 looks optimal according to this data.
Scan the horn curvature on specimen 4.
Vitals are stable, Doctor.
Easy now, keep moving. That's it, straight ahead.
Check this spot here, it looks a little thin.
Yeah, I see it. We should trim this edge before it goes to the cutters.
Surface quality is excellent here.
Approved for cutting.
How does this look? Centered here? That highlights the texture well. Let's adjust the lighting slightly on the accessories.
The final arrangement looks stunning.
Finding Solutions is ready for the showcase.
Welcome to Finding Solutions. Our state-of-the-art facility combines expert craftsmanship with advanced technology to deliver the highest quality leather products.
Welcome to the heart of Finding Solutions, where advanced manufacturing meets dedicated craftsmanship and precision.